Hi, let us understand about the mole concept. Let us use a simple analogy like whenever we go to purchase fruits like apples, bananas, what do we go to say and go to shopkeeper and say, like, if I want to purchase 12 bananas, mostly we will say that I want 1 dozen of banana. Or if I want to purchase 24 bananas, then I will say that I want 2 dozen of bananas, right? Why we have to do so much of the things? Like 12, I am saying it 1. 24, I am saying it 2 dozen. Like 48 bananas if I want to purchase, then I will say that I want 4 dozens. The thing is, our calculations becomes very easy, right? Means 24, 12 or 48, we are breaking these big numbers into smaller one. Okay, so here I come with the concept of mole concept. What is the meaning of it? First I will introduce you the value of 1 mole is equal to, like the way 1 dozen, whenever I say 1 dozen, it is equal to what? 12 units. Same way 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 what? It could be a atoms. I will make this clear. It could be a atoms, or it could be a molecules, or it could be a ions. Like the way 12 units we are saying, means here it is that 12 could be used 1 dozen system could be used for calculation of the bananas, apple, mangoes, or if you are even purchasing notebook, pens, or even counting the number of scooters in a row or number of car in a highway. So many things you can calculate using the dozen, right? Same way we can calculate, we can say that 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, molecules and ions. Now what is this 1 mole? 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. It is also known as a Avogadro number. This value is also known as a Avogadro's number. Avogadro is the name of the scientist, Avogadro's number. This value is very big. That is 1 mole. This I am breaking. So this is 0.23. It is 23. 10 raised to power 23. So point will shift from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It is so big. We can't even count it. It is so big. The reason is, I'll give you a small block of iron. Let's say this is a small block of pure Fe. This is iron. The weight of this iron, let's consider, is that 112 gram. 112 gram of the iron. This block weighs 112 gram. Now if I want to count how many atoms are there in this block, right, small block which is there, obviously the number will be very large, right? Because we know the atoms are very small, and in a very small piece they are in very large number, and if I want to count, then it will be a very big number. Let's say by some means I am counting the number of the atoms which are present over here, and what I get is that value. How I got that value, let's understand later. But by counting, I get that value to be around, I get it value 12.046 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Means I count the number of atoms in this block, and I found that it is how much? It is this much. It is again a big number, and it becomes very difficult for us to deal with this big number. I want some lower number where I can deal with this. Like the way we know that 12 units is equal to 1 dozen. Any units, 12 units of anything. If I say 12 apples, then it is 1 dozen, or 24 apples means it is 2 dozens. We are breaking this big number into the smaller one. Same way, what is the meaning of this? How many moles, like how many moles of atoms are present over here? Let us understand that. So we know that standard relation, that 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, this is equal to 1 mole, right? We know this. This standard relation. Who gave? Avogadro gave. Avogadro gave us this relation, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Moles means if I want that in this iron block there are these many atoms, 12.046 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, then it is equal to how many moles? X moles I will put. And if we do this cross multiplication, simple cross multiplication, then what do we get? X will be is equal to 12.046 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. This and this will get cancelled twice, and this. So I am getting X will be is equal to 2 moles. Means saying that 2 moles, I understand. Okay, here 2 moles means how many atoms? There are 2 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atom. And this is the concept of the mole. And let us understand in next video what is the application of the mole concept.